Man battles for life after deadly crash in St. Mary. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Kalisha Williams. Also this evening, hotel sector braces for fallout from the United States' new tariff policy. And Ministry of Agriculture warns against consuming chicken looted from container. There's also Saturday's Sports Special and weather in this newscast, but I'll have the news in detail right after this break.